This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete all friends on Snapchat at once. So if you have bunch of friends on your Snapchat account and now you want to delete all of them, follow these quick steps. Tap on your profile at the top left. Scroll down and tap on My Friends. And from here you have to remove your friends one by one because here is no option to delete your all friends at once. Now tap on this gear icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on I need help. Tap on this search box. Tap on delete my account. In order to delete all friends on Snapchat at once, you have to delete your Snapchat account. And after deleting your account, create a brand new Snapchat account and then you can add more friends. Scroll down and tap on Accounts Portal. Select Delete My Account. Enter here your Snapchat account password and tap on Continue and delete your account, and then your all friends will be removed, and then create a brand new account and add more friends. So this was the only way to delete all friends on Snapchat at once. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.